Good morning everybody. Today I will explain about Confluent Kafka Connect, how it helps us to process the data in real time without doing any coding. Nowadays everybody wants to process the data in real time, and before Confluent Kafka Connect it was a challenging task to process the huge volume of data. However, to process the real volume of data, like huge volume of data in real time, it was resolved by Confluent Kafka Connect. So now let me tell you what is Confluent Kafka Connect. Confluent Kafka Connect is an API developed by Confluent Kafka team which can be configured in the source system as well as destination system to transfer the data from source to destination. If you look at this diagram here, the first component is data source, second component is Kafka Connect, third component is Kafka topic, fourth component is another Kafka Connect, and the fifth component is data sync. Right? So how the connector works? The source connector, the Kafka connector, which will be configured in the source system, that is called source Kafka Connect. The Kafka Connect, this is called source connect because this is configured in the source system. And what it will do, it will keep listening the data changes in the source system. Whenever it detects any changes in the source system, it will keep listening the changes and put into Kafka topic. Similarly, what sync connector does, because as you see in this diagram, the sync connector configured in the data sync. I mean to say in the sync system. The sync connector keep listening to the Kafka topic. Whenever it sees any changes in the Kafka topic, it will bring the changes and put into sync system. Okay, so here if you look at here, the data from source system to destination system can be transferred in a fraction of second without any issues and without any coding. Simply we need to configure the Kafka Connect in the source system as well as in the destination system, and the rest of the things will be taken care by Confluent Kafka. Look at here how powerful it is. Before that, before this product, how difficult it was to process the data. Now simply we need to configure, no need to do anything. And in the next week I will explain how to configure the source connect in the source system and how to configure sync connect in the sync system, and I will give an example to transfer the data from source to destination. Thank you.